class before class we have to study the scalar matrix. Now to study the unit matrix belongs to the types of matrix. Unit matrix. Unit matrix is also a square matrix and its diagonal elements are unit, that means 1. Then the matrix is called the unit matrix. Like as a matrix is also a square matrix and its diagonal elements are always 1. That is, principal diagonal elements are always 1. And also a square matrix like as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the square matrix of order 3 by 3 and the diagonal elements are always 1. It is unit. So this matrix is called the unit matrix. So write down this note is, if a matrix having diagonal elements are always 1 and other than elements are 0, then the matrix is called the unit matrix. We have to taking the 2 by 2 order matrix of unit matrix. That is, B matrix is order 2 by 2. That is 1 0 and 0 1. And also the see the matrix of order 4 by 4. And also the unit matrix can be written as 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the matrix of order 4 by 4. This is 4 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. Similarly 4 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. This matrix is known as unit matrix. Now to study the algebra of matrix. Algebra of matrix means we can subtract additions and multiplications of the matrix. To how to additions of two matrix and how to subtraction of two matrix and how to multiply the two matrix. Additions of matrix. What are the algebra of matrices? Heading. Algebra of matrices. Two matrix like A and B, and to edit the matrix A and B is possible if the order is same. Then the matrix addition is possible. If the matrix order is same, m by n and also the m by n, m1 n1 m2 n2, the order is same, then the matrix addition is possible. That is, m1 equal to m2 and n2 equal to n1 equal to n2. Like as examples of additions of matrix is A matrix equal to 1 2 3 4 and B matrix is like 3 4 2 1. This is the matrix of 2 by 2 order. A matrix is like as 2 by 2 and B matrix also 2 by 2 order. So a matrix is addition is possible. It added with the respective element with the respective element. This means the first element is added with second matrix row, first row, first elements. Similarly, the first row, second column elements is added with the first row, second column elements. Now, the addition is A plus B equal to respective elements with the respective element रो जगफल करिबा तो 1 plus 3 4 2 plus 4 that is 6 3 plus 2 that is 5 4 plus 1 that is 5. It is also the 2 by 2 order matrix. The matrix multiplication is possible if the two matrix having same order, then the matrix addition is possible. Now definition will be two matrix additions will be possible if the matrix having same order. Also we can taking another example like as A matrix equal to A, B and C, D. Also B matrix is D, E, F, G. This is the 2 by 2 order matrix. And also the B matrix is 2 by 2 order matrix. The addition is A plus B. It implies A plus B equal to A plus D. Respective elements with the respective elementary additions. B सहित E, C सहित F, and D सहित F. The respective element सहित respective element जगफल होची A plus B equal to A plus D, B plus E, C plus F, and D plus G. This is also an examples of 2 by 2 order matrix. Now similarly, we can subtraction of two matrix like as respective element with the respective element can be subtracted. If A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 5 and B matrix is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now you can subtract it to matrix like as A minus B is 1 respective element subtracted with respective element. That means 1 the first row first element subtracted with the second matrix first row first element, that is 2. That is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Similarly 3 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 7 minus 2. This is the examples of A subtraction B matrix. That is also the order 2 by 2. Is also the order 2 by 2. Is also the order 2 by 2. Now you can see that matrix multiplication. This is the difference of additions and subtraction of two matrix. If possible, its having order is same. A matrix order is equal to B matrix order to saman rohibo. ताले matrix for addition and subtraction is possible. Sir.